stable, wanna run stumbling in a dream. You whisper in my ear, lost in your eyes, lost faces passing by too fast to recognize. Caught inside my mind, don't pop me loose this time. In between the space, paths made of time and place. Silence gets so loud to strangers in the crowd. Walls are tumbling down, should stable, wanna run stumbling in a dream. You whisper in my ear, lost in your eyes, lost
Good morning. How are you? Hi. It's been a minute, but anyway, I am here and today I have a short trip and we'll be going together. So let's see how it goes and let's see what awaits us. I still feel so sleepy, but we are here, so let's do this. A journey of 1,000 miles. We're 100 days later, but we've got here, and yeah, so we're now in Texas. We're going to see what Texas has to offer. If it's just going to offer views, we will give views. If it's going to offer sleep, we will sleep and show you when we sleep. Anyway, oh, we got inside the house. It looks so nice. At this moment, at this juncture, I feel like we should now have a house tour. Actually, I've realized, like walking around, it's a Korean household. Like it's an Airbnb, but it's a Korean household. And like if like she's done designs like all over the house. The paintings are paintings for designs. Okay, so let's start from the main door. So we will get to the main. That's the main door, and then we walk inside and up and see. Yeah, like she's really done a good job with the whole house. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's also this. Like I give props to her, Miss Song or Mrs. Song, wherever you are. This is amazing. I love it. Okay.
Wanna run, stumbling in a dream.